Install a smart thermostat in 30 seconds. Here's how. First, check your kit. Then locate the external sensor and the cable entry point. Connect the external sensors. Run the other end of the external sensor under the floor. Next, hook up your neutral and live wires. Attach the live wire to the L terminal and the neutral wire to the N terminal. Can't tell the neutral and living wires apart? Grab a voltage tester. If the indicator light turns on, it's the live wire. No light means it's the neutral wire. Then connect the live and neutral wires from your underfloor heating, just like the diagram shows. That's it! Installation done. Power it on and run a quick test.